When a car is moving at high speed and the brakes are applied suddenly, how would you describe the sound that comes from the brakes? Are you going to say the brakes scream, or you will say the brakes screech, or you are going to use scraping? Okay, before we come to this question, today we'll be talking about onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia means a word that sounds like the noise it describes. A word that sounds like the noise it describes. That is onomatopoeia. For instance, if a door, if a door, if you slam a door, the sound that comes is bang. Understood? When you slam a door, the sound that comes is bang. Okay? That is what we are going to talk about today. Now let us look at this question. We heard the dash of the brakes, which was followed by a crashing noise. We have scream. Scream is a sound related to for humans, or this high pitched sound that you make when you have fear or you are in pain. Understood, right? So this one for humans. This one screeching. Okay, before we come back to this, let's talk about scraping. Scraping is used, the sound that comes when you are dragging chairs on the floor. Understood? So that is scraping, the scraping of the chairs. Understood? So this one, chairs, chairs. Streaking, this one does not have anything to do with sounds. It means moving fast and leaving a line behind. Just moving fast and leaving a line behind. So that is for this one, moving fast. Okay, now we heard the dash of the brakes, which was followed by a crashing noise. When you are talking about brakes, the sound that comes in brakes is called screeching. The screeching of the brakes. Screeching. Brake.